can watch a sock printer online, but seeing it printing live is completely a different experience. This September, Colorido is heading to Las Vegas for United Printing Expo 2026. From the September 23rd to 25th, you will see us at the booth number C3182. And this time, we are bringing our sock printer equipped with the visual positioning system. And we won't just display the machine. We will be running for the live printing test on site. You can see how the vision positioning system works, how the sock is positioned before printing, and how the design is printed directly onto the sock. No simulations, no added demonstration. You can see the actual printing result right in front of you. If you are looking for a sock printing solution, or you are thinking about to start or expanding your custom sock business, this is the chance for you to see the machines, ask questions, and test your ideas. So, are you coming to Las Vegas, September the 23rd to 25th? United Printing Expo, booth number C3182. Come and see what Colorido can do for your socks.